Hi, and welcome to Cadmium Tips and Tricks series, Streamline Your Workflow. I'm Kerrie Cave, a project manager here at Cadmium. I often share valuable tips during my client kickoff calls. To extend these insights to all of our clients, we've launched a tip and tricks series. Join me today as I demonstrate two time-saving features in the Education Harvester, and they are also applicable in the Expo Harvester. First, let's talk about efficient email management in the communication feature. Did you know that the communication feature within the Education Harvester allows you to access all of your past emails? Follow along with me. Let's start here with the communication icon. Click on that. Under the bar of email campaigns up here, you'll notice this says focus this event. Change this here to focus to all events. This action pulls up all emails sent since your organization started using the Education and Expo Harvester. You can review engagement metrics, identify high-performing emails, and reuse content for current communication, saving you time and effort. Yep, just click on Send Emails, locate that high-performing email, click on it, and then copy to draft. Copy to draft will put that email specifically into that current Education Harvester. There's one tip for you. Now let's talk about bulk task management. So let's get out of here. Let's go up to the task. Okay, so let's go to the task here, right here next to the active education task. You can click the small box here at the top and it selects all those tasks. Once you have it selected, did you know it pops up these items here at the bottom? You can bulk change the due date on all of your active tasks. You can lock tasks so nobody can edit them anymore. And then you can pull up that task report. This is a great report. It's a comprehensive overview of your task statuses. This feature helps you manage tasks, monitor the progress, and identify the areas that need action. For example, if you pull over here and see how many have incomplete items, so you might want to focus on targeting those specific speakers to get those tasks done. Again, I'm so glad you could join me today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from each module here at Cadmium. Thank you and have a great day.